how to send emails to contacts in HubSpot. So first, go to your HubSpot account, and then you can just hover your mouse over this icon here and then choose contacts. From there, you can just select one of your contacts. So I'll just select this one. Next is, you can see the email option here. Click on it. Then from here, you can just, if your inbox haven't been connected yet, you can just click on connect here. Then click on connect your inbox. Now type in your email address. So I'll just type in mine. Then click on connect to Gmail, agree. Okay. Now let's just connect our Gmail account here. Okay. Now let's just wait for this to finish. Okay. Now once that's done, you can see the email option here. Now you just need to add your subject, your description, or your email here, the body of your email. Then if you want to insert things, you can do that as well. Insert your files. So once you've done that, you just need to add anything here, and then you can just click on send and you're done. So if you want to send later, you can do that as well. And there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.